Hello crochet friends, and welcome back to Yarn Over Hook. My name is Sammy, and in today's video we are going to learn how to do a foundation half double crochet. We've already learned how to do the foundation single crochet and a foundation double crochet, so today we get to jump into the middle there and learn how to do our foundation chain and half double crochet stitches at the same time. So let's hop to it. Let's make a slip knot and get that on our hook. Oh, remember, not too tight. We're going to chain 2 for this one. You don't want to chain 3 because it could make a gap there. Our half double crochet is on the shorter side. So if we only chain 2, it'll keep our foundation chain nice and tight at the beginning. Yarn over, just like we're doing a half double crochet. You're going to insert your hook into this first chain here, picking up that loop in the back bump. There we go. So now we have 2 loops from our feeding yarn and our chain on our hook. Yarn over, pull through the chain only. Yarn over, pull through that first loop only. Yarn over, pull through all 3. And that's it. You've created a chain here at the bottom, that upside down V. That's where we are going to insert our hook next. Yarn over, insert your hook into that upside down V. Whoop. There we go. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through that first loop only. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. So now you can see this really starting to form. This chain down here, these series of upside down V's, that is the foundation chain. Up here are your half double crochet stitches. And putting them together, we have our foundation half double crochet. Let's do another one. Yarn over, insert your hook into that upside down V from the previous stitch we made. Yarn over, whoop. Don't want to pick up an extra loop there. There we go. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through that first loop only. Yarn over and pull through the last 3 loops. And that's it. You'll just keep going until you've reached the number of stitches that you need. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ding the bell so that you know when we upload a new video. And we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!